2017 was a great year for the Minnesota Vikings. This is 2018, and this is the playoffs.
Coast to coast and around the world, welcome to Minnesota. It's the NFC North champion Minnesota Vikings taking on the NFC South champion New Orleans Saints.
This will be the loudest stadium that the Saints have played in all year long.
You can't be afraid to believe. Man, I say believe like there's no tomorrow. Play like there's no tomorrow, because guess what? There is no tomorrow. Today is all you got. Let's bring it home.
Saints, Vikings, playoff football in Minneapolis is in the air. Best defense in the NFL goes to the field first.
You talk about week one, a lot has changed since then, but one thing that has not is how good this defense is.
They don't want to give an inch. They have an edge to them. But Drew Brees is Drew Brees.
That's a great job to start this game defensively and keep this crowd in at 2 straight incomplete passes. And they force a punt.
And main man Marcus gives it a try at the 25. Shakes a save, heads to the near side to the 35. Breaks the tackle at the 40. And he's thrown down by the punter at the 44.
Well, you couldn't have asked for a better start if you're the Minnesota Vikings.
This is going to be the key. Down here in the red zone, Minnesota knows they need to capitalize.
8th play of a possession that's gone 41 yards. Toss left to McKinnon. Turns it up 10, 5, touchdown! A 14-yard scamper, and the Minnesota Vikings strike first.
Oh, what a great job. They faked the jet sweep, and Riley Reef pulling in space with a fantastic key block on the outside.
He seals the edge. There's a heck of a lane there for McKinnon in the score. Hey, was that wide open? You think I could have scored? No.
I told y'all, we the best running back in the league.
Now the Saints look at another 3rd down. Passes incomplete, and the New Orleans Saints are punting again.
3 and out. Let's go.
It's the best 3rd down defense since at least 1991.
Ingram. Nope. Well played. Kendrick's first in.
And New Orleans is toothless once again on 3rd down.
Woo! That's up, baby.
Empty backfield, 5 wide, shotgun snap, drops back 3, winds up, looks long, spiral pass down the middle, he's got a receiver, and it was intercepted on a leap by Sendejo. A leaping, two-handed, gloved interception. Big time pick.
Start for Drew Brees, 1 for 6 for 3 yards, and now an interception.
Brees under center. 2 receivers left. Drew back to pass. Ball's tipped at the line of scrimmage. Intercepted by Anthony Barr, who turns it up to the 25. And he's taken down at the 28-yard line. The Minnesota Vikings are dominating the New Orleans Saints.
A deflected ball went end over end. Barr got the ball on the ricochet.
His back is to Brees, and he throws his hand up and just luckily hits the ball.
Bro, you could have stuck your hand up at a better time. You said, done. Boom. Like, I mean, he was in motion, and you said, ding.
This is 3rd and 8 from the Saints 15. Empty backfield, 3 receivers, right, 2 left.
He cocks his right arm, he looks, he backpedals, he's got time. He pump fakes once, he backpedals again. He moves up and avoids the rush. Throws a pass to the 5, leaping to end, catch made at the 5-yard line by Diggs. How in the world do they give him that much time to throw? 1st and goal to go, Minnesota.
The Saints just simply cannot stay with these wide receivers.
1st and goal, New Orleans now with their backs against the wall. The snap, the spin, handoff Murray. He spins off 1 defender over the right guard, holds the ball over the goal line. Touchdown, Minnesota. 1-yard touchdown, spinning move over the right side. Latavius Murray. And the Vikings build their lead 16-0 over New Orleans. Early in the 2nd quarter, the Vikings are running away.
17-0, and Sean Payton knows that he has got his hands full trying to come back against this defense.
The Vikings are steamrolling the Saints. Offset eye from the 14-yard line of Minnesota. Breeze under center, four-man front. Runs out of the pocket, looks and throws. It's incomplete. Thomas had held. Flag is thrown. Sendejo is down.
Breeze, end zone, has a man. Touchdown, Michael Thomas. The man who was involved in that collision with Sendejo. And the Saints are on the board.
We have a new score in snowy Minneapolis. Vikings 17, Saints 7.
Cameron Jordan's all over him, so he lofts it up. It's intercepted by Marcus Williams.
Big pick by Marcus Williams.
As now you've all of a sudden set the Saints up in position to go ahead and make this a 3-point game.
Fires to the end zone, caught. Touchdown, New Orleans Saints. And it's Michael Thomas again.
And the Saints are back in business. Breeze has done it through the air.
And this loud stadium is awfully quiet now.
That should have been.
Blocked punt. The Saints blocked the punt. Are you kidding me?
It was retrieved at the 40-yard line of Minnesota. And Breeze will have it there.
Fans out of their seats at US Bank Stadium imploring the best defense in the NFL to get a stop right now.
End zone. Pass is caught for the touchdown, Kamara.
And the New Orleans Saints are an extra point from taking the lead.
Well, and there's still plenty of time. Just take your time, remain calm. You have to go down and try and get in field goal range.
Keenum throws it, flag, pass caught by Thielen. Oh my God. Up for grabs, and Thielen with a catch of a lifetime. Unbelievable.
These are the guys, great players, make big plays in big games, Paul.
Kai Forbath with 1:34 to go in the game. Walks onto the field to attempt a 53-yard field goal right hash.
Good snap, ball put down, right-footed kick for the lead is up, it is up, it is caught! 53 yards for the lead! But Drew Brees has a minute and a half with which to work.
Drew Brees on the field for Sean Payton, and this defense on the field for Mike Zimmer with a trip to the NFC Championship game on the line.
Drew Brees facing the noise at US Bank Stadium, takes a low snap, dump over the middle, incomplete, knocked away at the 40. And X marked the spot on that play.
3 plays in a row, Xavier Rhodes was covering him, and 3 plays in a row, Xavier Rhodes made the play to knock it away as we come to 4th down.
Everybody at US Bank Stadium is out of their seats.
Brees, pass, caught, Snead. 43-yard try for the lead. Lutz drilled it, and the Saints are back on top.
And with 25 seconds to go in the game, we need a Minneapolis miracle.
And Case Keenum in his first playoff game will trudge back out there for the Minnesota offense.
10 seconds remain in what could be a heartbreaking loss for the Vikings.
Everybody on their feet. This is when legends are made, Paul.
Case on a deep drop, steps up in the pocket. He'll fire to the right side. Caught by Diggs. Stay up. Oh, he got loose. Oh, my God. 30. No. 10. Touchdown. Are you kidding me? Miracle finish. It's a Minneapolis miracle. Stefon Diggs and the Minnesota Vikings have walked up on the New Orleans Saints. It's a 61-yard Minneapolis miracle.
I can't believe what I just saw, Paul Allen. What an unbelievable play.
Fans at US Bank Stadium are embracing each other. They're trying to climb into the box to hug us all.
Are you kidding me?
Look at these Vikings coaches. Yes.
Lou.
Yes.
Mistake.
Yes.